I made it to Bird Spring Road well before sunset, and there's a lot of water here. There's a spot on the other side of the road, just downhill behind a Joshua tree that I'm gonna camp at to keep me out of the wind. Here's the water, more than 95-gallon jugs. So thanks again to the Trail Angels for all your help. I'm gonna camp behind that tree over there. It was a great day of hiking today again. I thought it was gonna be unbearably hot, but it was pretty windy, so everything was pretty cool and it worked out pretty well. So it was a good day. And tomorrow's another one. I'll see you then. Good night.